Before we dive into the incredible benefits of raw onions, there's something crucial you should know. Even a single onion can trigger powerful reactions in your body. If you're already adding onions to your meals, you might be surprised by the hidden advantages they bring when eaten raw. From reducing inflammation to boosting your energy, onions are packed with compounds that can enhance your health in unique ways. But to make the most of these benefits, it's important to know how to eat them right. So let's explore the best ways to consume onions and which types offer the most for your health. One of the main reasons raw onions are so beneficial is their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body is linked to numerous health issues, from heart disease to arthritis. Eating raw onions can help control this inflammation naturally, thanks to a powerful antioxidant known as quercetin. Think of quercetin as a tiny bodyguard, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation by blocking enzymes that would otherwise trigger it. Quercetin is also helpful in managing joint pain and reducing swelling. This is especially valuable for anyone dealing with long-term inflammation or conditions like arthritis. Additionally, raw onions contain sulfur compounds which detoxify the body by flushing out toxins that can worsen inflammation. Together, these compounds make onions an ideal choice for reducing the inflammation that can contribute to chronic diseases. Including raw onions in your daily meals might be one of the simplest steps you can take to support your health over the long term. Raw onions are a fantastic natural support for heart health. The quercetin in onions doesn't just fight inflammation, it also helps regulate blood pressure, which can significantly reduce the strain on your heart. High blood pressure, if left unchecked, is a major risk factor for heart disease. By adding raw onions to your diet, you're helping lower this risk and supporting overall heart function. Sulfur compounds in onions also play a role in reducing cholesterol levels, which further benefits your cardiovascular system. These compounds promote better blood flow, reducing the risk of blockages and keeping your heart strong. With improved circulation, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, which can make a noticeable difference, especially for those already dealing with heart issues. Adding a few slices of raw onion to your meals could be a small but meaningful step toward a healthier heart. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for both energy and mood, and raw onions can play a big role in helping with this. Onions contain compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity, which means your body responds better to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. When insulin is working efficiently, glucose or sugar in your blood is used for energy rather than building up and causing spikes. This stability is especially important for those with diabetes. But even if you don't have diabetes, preventing blood sugar spikes is beneficial. Sharp increases and drops in blood sugar can lead to fatigue, irritability, and cravings. Including raw onions in your diet helps keep these levels steady, providing you with more consistent energy throughout the day. It's a simple but effective way to help manage your energy levels naturally. Raw onions are particularly beneficial for men's health, as they can support testosterone production. Testosterone plays a significant role in muscle growth, energy levels, and mood. Onions contain flavonoids, compounds that improve blood circulation, which is key to boosting testosterone naturally. Better circulation doesn't only support energy levels, but also promotes overall vitality and well-being. For men looking to enhance their energy and vitality, onions can be a game changer. Studies show that raw onions can even improve sperm quality, making them a valuable addition to a health-focused diet. Incorporating onions into meals is a straightforward way to benefit from these effects, whether you're looking to support overall health or target specific areas like energy and reproductive health. Onions can also offer relief for respiratory issues, including asthma, allergies, and common respiratory infections. They contain quercetin, which reduces histamine production, a chemical responsible for causing allergic reactions. By reducing histamine levels, onions can help prevent asthma attacks and soothe inflamed airways, making breathing easier. Additionally, sulfur compounds in onions act as natural decongestants, which can help clear mucus and open up airways. If you're dealing with seasonal allergies or frequently feel congested, adding raw onions to your diet may help reduce these symptoms. These compounds also strengthen the respiratory system's defense mechanisms, making it easier for your body to fend off infections. Simple, natural, and effective, raw onions can be an unexpected ally for those seeking respiratory relief. Raw onions aren't just beneficial for internal health, they also offer impressive benefits for your skin and hair. Applying onion juice to the scalp, for example, can stimulate hair growth by boosting blood flow to the hair follicles. This promotes stronger, healthier hair while also helping to reduce dandruff. For the skin, onions are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which protect against premature aging by fighting off wrinkles and keeping skin fresh. Onions also have antibacterial properties, making them helpful for treating skin issues like acne. These properties help fight harmful bacteria, keeping the skin clear and reducing breakouts. With antioxidants and nutrients that support both skin and hair health, raw onions can be a natural beauty booster in your daily routine. From heart health to clearer skin, raw onions provide a range of benefits that go beyond flavor. Whether you're looking to manage blood pressure, enhance energy, or improve skin health, adding raw onions to your diet can be a simple, impactful choice. Just remember to start with small amounts to avoid any digestive discomfort and incorporate them consistently for the best results. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.